Did you know that electromagnetic interference, or EMI, can wreak havoc on your electronic systems? In our interconnected world, ensuring radio frequency, or RF, signal integrity is crucial. Let's explore how cable assemblies are key to superior shielding effectiveness. Shielding effectiveness measures a cable assembly's ability to block EMI and prevent RF signal leakage. It's quantified in decibels, indicating how well a cable maintains signal integrity. With ratings from 40 to over 125 decibels, choosing the right cable is vital for telecommunications, aerospace, and more. EMI can originate from power lines and motors, causing signal distortion and data errors. Proper shielding in cable assemblies prevents EMI from affecting internal signals and blocks external interference, ensuring reliable data transmission and system performance. Different shielding types offer unique advantages. Foil shields provide 100% coverage, while braided shields offer superior conductivity. Composite shields combine both to tackle severe EMI challenges, achieving exceptional effectiveness for demanding environments. At Circuit Assembly, we specialize in custom cable assemblies designed for optimal EMI protection and RF signal integrity. Like what you heard? Subscribe for more insights on cutting-edge technology solutions.